So let's figure out 15 divided by 4 using long division here. First thing we do, divide. 4 doesn't go into 1, but 4 goes into 15. 3 times 4, that's our multiplication. That gives us 12. Subtract, that gives us 3, and then we bring down. There's nothing to bring down. So we could call it 15.0 if we put a point up here, because 15.0, it's still 15, but now, because we have the decimal, we can bring this down. And now we're back where we started, divide. So 7 times 4, that's 28. Subtract, we get the 2, and put another 0 out here, still 15, right? We can bring that down as long as we move over a decimal point here. And 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4, that's 20, and then you subtract, and there is no remainder, and you're done. 15 divided by 4 is 3.75. And if you take 3.75 times 4, you'll get 15. It's Dr. B dividing 15 by 4 using long division. Thanks for watching.